Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing the highly requested macaron squishy tutorial, and this is the color that I made in the video, but I also have these other colors. So I'm just going to show you guys how to make these squishies today, and let's just get started. Here are all the materials that I'll be using, but you can always switch the colors up to whatever you prefer. And the color that I'm using today is lilac. So the first thing that you're going to do is take your glue and glue together 2 of the makeup sponges together, and then glue together 2 more so that you have 2 separate but identical pieces. And you don't want to add too much glue to your pieces or otherwise it won't stick too well. So just add a little bit and use a toothpick to spread it out. And you want to make sure that you line up the pieces just like that. Now what you're going to do is use your scissors to round off the edges so that it looks more like a macaron shell. And you're going to repeat the process for the other one. So now I'm just going to go ahead and paint these with my puffy paint. So here are the 2 pieces now dried, and now what you're going to do is take some glue and glue together the pieces. Now the last step is to take the white puffy paint and make the filling. And now that everything has dried, this is what it looks like, and as you can see, it's very squishy. So I hope you guys found this helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like, and I will see you guys later.